Hello class, welcome to my homepage, air-cooled. This is where I share my experience with this kind of mechanics, with this kind of cars. And about the design. Well, I love the contrast between orange and black and gray. The nav became very compelling. The pictures are good, are small, are very adapted to web. What I learned most doing this homepage was about CSS hierarchy. Was very difficult. Not having a plan, very well structured plan. Here we can see in the style guide. I only have my sitemap and two wireframes. This is the wireframe of the homepage. It is the same there, but then I changed my mind and the creativity was good in some days and the other day were like a rocket. I changed it a lot, and I think this was the most difficult because I was changing in the same time I was writing the code, and the creativity and the plan were competing between them. I tried to do my best, but then I changed my mind and I said changed colors, I changed boxes, and I think this is cost me to be here sitting in this chair a lot of hours. But in the end, the outcome is good. I think the design is good. Is very compelling for this kind of audience. And I think this is all. You can come visit here. This is the URL, and have good luck with your website, and goodbye.